Hi friends, thank you for choosing to watch this video. Today I will share with you my recipe for cauliflower crust pizza. There's only about 4 or 5 ingredients and I will have that up for you in just a moment. And this is what it's going to look like when it's all done. And it is delicious. First thing we want to do is get the cauliflower head and chop up the cauliflower into little florets. Now you can also use the stem of the cauliflower as well. What I do is I steam this. I'm going to show you how to steam the cauliflower without a steamer. So if you don't have a steamer, that's no problem. I'm going to show you how to steam the cauliflower in the microwave without having a steamer. So we're going to get a large bowl, put some water in the bottom. You may have to judge yourself depending on how much cauliflower you're using. I used about 4 tablespoons and I'm using 5 cups of cauliflower. So get your cauliflower, chop it up into little florets. You can also use the center of the cauliflower, the hard stem. Chop that up real fine, and we're going to put the cauliflower in the bowl, and I'm going to put a plate on top of the bowl in the microwave, and you will have to judge this just based on the wattage of your microwave and how much cauliflower you are using. You want to steam the cauliflower and get it nice and soft, and when it's done, we're going to drain it. We want as little moisture as possible. If you have a lot of moisture, your cauliflower crust will be soggy, and we don't want soggy crust. So let's go ahead and do that. After the cauliflower crust has been steamed, we want to get it cool. Going to cool it down. We're going to put it in a food processor. I'm using my Ninja blender today and just use it to make it into sort of a rice. After you let the cauliflower cool, we're going to use cheesecloth or paper towels to squeeze out as much moisture as you can. You will get an arm workout. So whatever you have, if you have cheesecloth, wrap it up in there, squeeze it over a bowl so that all the water goes down into the bowl, or just squeeze with your paper towels so that you get that moisture out. We want it to be as dry as possible. So you're going to need 1 egg. Crack it, put it in the bowl, and then we'll use 1 to 1.5 cups of cheese. Shredded cheese. I use mozzarella. You might use whatever kind you like. That is totally up to you, your preference and your taste. I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of Italian seasoning. Dried spices with some cilantro in there, a pinch of salt to taste, and some cracked black peppercorns. Whatever you like, you can put in there. And once we have that mixture stirred, we're going to add in the cauliflower rice and mix it all up. Going to spray our cookie sheet with, I use Trader Joe's nonstick olive oil spray. Going to spray the baking sheet with that, flatten the crust into the baking sheet, and we're going to bake it on 450 for 20 minutes. Check it. If it still doesn't seem cooked enough, put it back in for 10 more minutes, but keep opening the oven and checking this. I don't want it to burn for you. So once we get that out of there, let it cool, put your toppings on, and enjoy. So it's pretty simple. Let me know in comments how you do, and let's get started with the recipe. Here we have it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you make this, please let me know how your cauliflower crust turns out. Let me know how it tastes. Let me know the texture, and hopefully you'll have success with this and want to make it more often. So please like, subscribe, and share the video, and make it a great day.